Hello friends, welcome to Sri Krishna Kitchen. Tomorrow I am going to make a idli in banana leaf. It is called pouch idli. I will show you tomorrow how to prepare. To prepare banana leaf idli, I am going to soak all these ingredients. Proportions. I have taken this glass, so I have soaked equal proportions of these ingredients. Here I have taken 1 glass boiled rice, 1 glass idli rice, 1 glass black gram dal, and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seed. To measure the proportions, you can use either glass or cup. It should be equal proportions. I am going to soak all these ingredients separately, but boiled rice I use lukewarm water to make the batter fluffy. Soak fenugreek seed, methi seed with the black gram dal, urdu dal. Now I am going to grind the soaked boiled rice, raw rice and urd dal one by one. Rice batter is ready. Don't grind the rice into a smooth paste. Just like this. Let us mix the batter well. Idli batter is ready. Let me keep for fermentation. I will see you tomorrow morning. Hi, as I told you yesterday, I would come back today to prepare pouch idli. Good morning friends. Batter is ready, very well fermented. Add salt to the batter and mix well. See, very well fermented. Let us mix. Before preparing idli, let us heat the banana leaf so that it can be folded easily. Apply oil. Tie with the banana leaf stem. Idli pouch is ready. I kept idli vessel. Now let us steam the idlis. Cover with the lid. Keep 20 minutes. Keep on high flame. Hot pouch idli is ready. Let it cool. Hi, today I am preparing tasty masala chicken curry for the pouch idli. It is a very good combination with the idli. Ingredients for chicken masala curry. I have taken 1 kg chicken, cleaned thoroughly, mixed turmeric powder, salt to taste, and chili powder. Other ingredients for masala: 3 tablespoonful coriander seed, 1 big cup thick coconut milk, 1 big cup thin coconut milk, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon fenugreek seed, quarter teaspoon mustard seed, 7 peppercorn. Here I have taken 4 long chili and 2 small dry chili, 8 cloves garlic, 1 small onion, small lemon size of tamarind. Add 4 long chilies and 2 small chili. Fry the chili. Add half teaspoon oil. Add 1 small onion. Saute it. Let onion become light brown. Add oil. Me add other ingredients. I have taken 3 tablespoons coriander seed, make the flame low. One teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon fenugreek seed, quarter teaspoon mustard, 5 peppercorns, now saute it, roast the ingredients, roasted well. Before taking, add small 8 cloves garlic. Fry slightly. It's done. Switch off the gas and keep it aside. I fried all the other ingredients. Just roast the tamarind. All the fried ingredients including tamarind and grind into a smooth paste. Add 2 tablespoons grated coconut and add oil and roast it. Roasted coconut is ready. Keep aside. Let it cool. Then masala preparation. Today I am making in the pressure cooker. Add, it is hot. Add 2 tablespoons oil. These are the ingredients I am going to use. This is ground masala paste, 1 big ripe tomato, 3 green chili sliced, ½ inch ginger, onion, one small onion. Thick milk will be added later. Thinned milk. Prepare. Added onion. Make the flame low. Add green chilli and ginger. Saute it. Add tomato. Saute well. Salt. Add chicken. Add into the pressure cooker. Mix well. Add the ground masala with the masala water. Add 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Add thin coconut milk. Adjust the salt. Not adding more water. Let us adjust later. Close the lid. Steam releasing. Let us put the whistle. Take after 2 whistles. Meantime, let us arrange for the tadka. Add ghee. Add shallots, small onion, 3 cloves and 2 small pieces cinnamon. Golden brown. Add curry leaves. Switch off the gas. Now it's done. Let us add thick milk. Stir well. Mix well. Let it boil. Adjust the salt. Salt if required. It's boiling. Let us add tadka to the switch off the gas. It's ready. Banana leaf pouch idli and chicken masala curry is ready to eat. The idli which I made in banana leaf. This is called pouch. So nice to see. Chicken masala curry is a very good combination. So you soft add with this chicken curry. This will be very tasty. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Details already been given in the description box.